Hey guys, I am Ajay and welcome to English with Ajayraj. I have started a new series from today and the name is Word of the Day. In this series, you will get a new word on a daily basis. We will look at 4 things: pronunciation of the word, meaning of the word, synonyms for the word, and a few examples by using the word. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here is the word. First, let's talk about its pronunciation. So the pronunciation of this word is perilous. 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 Now, what does perilous mean? Perilous means something which is full of danger or risk. Synonyms for the word perilous could be dangerous, risky, hazardous, threatening. Now let's see a few examples by using the word perilous. It's a perilous task to drive a car on mountain roads. In an interview, the Delhi's chief minister was explaining how perilous the COVID-19 situation has become. Smoking is perilous to our health as it can cause lung cancer. So guys, that's all for today's video lesson. If you learned something new, make sure to like it, and to learn more, you can subscribe to this channel. My name is Ajay. I thank you so much for watching.